Hey guys, we got a new filming studio here at Ultimate Reloader that you're gonna see in a lot of upcoming videos. Let me show you what we got going on. So here we are at Precision Rifle Concepts, which is our FFL location and our gunsmithing shop. We've just tripled our square footage here, and a part of the move-in is the new filming studio. It's back here, let me show you. So what we did was we took an entire room and dedicated it to a controlled environment filming studio. There was quite a few things that I wanted to accomplish with this new studio that we haven't been able to do to date. Controlled lighting, controlled sound, a more simplified background. This is a complete plywood set that we put together and painted so that we could kind of make the products and the people pop a little bit more and have a little bit less visual distraction in the background. We've got some killer new lighting with the grids, the honeycomb grids on them, and all of the lighting is balanced in here. We've got great acoustics. We've got a full new bench here with the Ultimate Reloader bench system on it. It's bolted down to the floor, and so this is going to be just a great area to present products, to do reloading, and all sorts of cool stuff. Some of the other things that we're going to do is we're going to get these tripods for the cameras off the floor. We'll probably have wall mounts or something like that. It's not a really big space, so we have to really think about every square inch in here. We've got all of our studio lighting on one switch, and then we have the regular room lights, which we don't have on because it's garbage lighting when we're not filming, when we need a little bit of a boost in light. So let me show you what this is going to look like when we're filming. All right, so we've gone from behind the scenes mode to full studio mode. This is what you're gonna see in all of the new videos. I totally love the look. It's really exciting to have this facility where we have fiber optic internet. I mean, imagine not living in a mountain studio. Imagine being able to upload videos over fiber. I know, it sounds kind of funny, but that's literally my life. And it's been wonderful. It's been wonderful working in the woods. Now we can shoot video at either location. Really, really good stuff. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys the new studio and give you a preview of what you're going to see in almost all of the upcoming videos. My question for you, what do you think of the new studio? And is there anything in particular, general open question, that you'd love to see here on this channel? Drop that comment and we'll start the discussion. Thank you everybody for watching and for your support over the years. This latest iteration of our filming capability is really exciting, and it's going to enable us to do more and do to a higher quality bar and in less time. Good stuff. That concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. If you're interested in custom rifles like what we build here on the channel or gunsmithing services, you're going to want to go to rifles.ultimatereloader.com and get on the wait list. If you want to learn lucrative gunsmithing like what I show here on the channel, including building custom rifles and Cerakote plus a whole bunch more, you're going to want to check out the Colorado School of Trades, schooloftrades.edu. Thanks again for watching.